Yes. What's going on, everybody? Real fast, I hopped in here to give you the trade of the day. Today, we are looking at S&P. As you can see, we are about to approach 2,000 in profit on this trade. Okay, so what's happening and what you are looking at? Yes, this is an indicator. This is the very first indicator that I learned to use besides a moving average. This is called the Ikamushu cloud. A lot of you guys may have heard of it. Some of you may have not, but let me just explain. The Ikamushu cloud is pretty much going to train the eye in order to see breakouts. So if you use this indicator, you can learn to catch breakouts like I do, believe it or not. This is how I learned how to catch 100 pips and better. This was the first indicator that taught me that. Now, this indicator in particular is different from the regular Ikamushu cloud that you have on the MT4. The reason that this one is different is because the levels are different. If you put a regular Ikamushu cloud on the same chart, it will look similar, but it will be different. Now, this also has some other indicators that are part of it, but I turned those off just to make it simple. Now, what you simply look at is for price to break structure as far as through the cloud, up or down, and that's it. It's that simple. You see in the corner, we're looking at SPX, S&P 500 rather. You see it's in a very, 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 very extremely bullish trend from the indicator at the bottom. What is that telling you? Look for buys. What did it do? Break through the cloud in a buy position. See how simple that is, right? A lot of guys, indicators, raw naked charts. You could preach that all you want, but can you get $2,000 in your sleep? Can you do that? Okay. Now, it sounds like I'm marketing, but I'm excited because guess what? I don't have to market this. It markets itself. You could look at this trade right now live and see S&P. This is real price action. There's nothing on the chart except for the indicator telling you bullish or bearish pattern, the cloud, the position. That's it. It broke through. What can I tell you? What can I tell you? Okay, so look, there we go. This is the trade of the day, 2 positions. We took a small lot, not a big lot, and we are looking at almost 2,000 on 2 positions from the breakout of the cloud, as you can see. Okay, so just that simple. I don't need to make this video super long. I don't need to go crazy, but when people ask me, how did you get that many pips? How did you do this? How did you do that? This is how I started. This is how I learned. Now, this robot is available. You can get this robot. Just hit us up and ask us. We got you. But once again, it's not even about that. You can learn from a regular Ikamushu cloud how to do this. Ours is different. Ours will take the trade for you. Or you could put your TP, stop loss, your buy, sell limit in place of the cloud and take your own trade. Or you get the signal, take the trade yourself. It gives you the signal, it takes the trade. It does whatever you need it to do. It's automated. We make trading automated. We make it easier. People go, naked charts, naked. You can naked chart all you want and be sitting up there stressing for 5 and 10 pips. You see how many pips this is? Can't make this up. Sorry, you cannot make this up. So, this is the Ikamushu Cloud breakout. Trade Game official. We have it. For the holiday, we will have a special, depending on when you watch this. I'm just telling you guys, this is not, I can't make this up. It does it on its own. You see the blue candle shooting up to the moon. You see the cloud. You see the indicator down at the bottom. It's telling you buy, buy, buy. What is it telling you? Buy, buy, buy. What is it saying? Buy, buy, buy. What are you doing? Buy, buy, buy. Okay? The cloud indicator. 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy, 1 hour buy, 4 hour buy, daily sell. Meaning, this is a reversal. So we came from a downtrend. Now we're going up through the cloud. So, what is it teaching you? It's teaching you how to see those reversals. A lot of you guys in these groups be stressing out over those 5-10 pips. I be feeling bad for you guys, man, because y'all be really stressing over it. I don't want it if it's 5 or 10 pips. But you stress out over it if you want. Or you could just get an indicator like this one and let it do it for you. Or just study and learn for yourself. It's up to you how you want to live your life. You want to live it hard? You want to live it easy? It's up to you. That's all I can say, man. That's all I can say. Looking at this is beautiful. It's just, look at it. Look at the candles just shooting up like that. And you look. Because I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm about to clip this trade. But I figured, let me make the video and show it to people. People are like, this ain't real. Like, they just think this is fake. This is made up. Oh, it's easy to just have an account and do this. It's easy. It's easy to get this many pips. It's easy. Anyone could do that. No, they can't. No, they can't. No, they can't. No, they can't. No, they cannot. No, they cannot, sir. No, they cannot. No, they cannot. So anyway, I'm going to end this video right here, man. There's no need to keep going with it. There's no reason to keep going with it. But, yeah, we here, man. I'm out of here. Peace, guys. Just remember, if you do want this indicator, hit us up. I'll give you the discount. Get it on PayPal, maybe. If not, cool. But just understand, this is it. This is what it is. This is how I learned. This is how I learned breakouts. The cloud breakout. This is how I learned it. I'm giving you the secret sauce here. Giving you the secret sauce. A lot of people ask me, how did I learn the breakout? How did I learn how to see these and catch these? This is how I learned them. This is exactly how I learned them. So, can't do nothing but tell you what I know. And that's what I know. I'm out of here, guys. Peace. Do like, comment, and subscribe. And do remember, I'm going to keep saying this to you guys so you get the hang of it. Join in the Discord. These YouTube videos that I make, they go in the Discord before I post them live on the YouTube channel. Some people give away their stuff and make you pay for it. This is going to make you money, and I'm giving this to you for free. Not the indicator. The indicator ain't free. But I'm giving you this video showing you. Because you can use the regular Ikamuchu Cloud and do this. You can. Ours is different. When you get ours, you'll see it's different. But you can use the regular one. You don't have to buy this. You should buy this because it's going to give you the signal and it's going to take the trade for you. It can do both and or. It's up to you. If you wanted to take the trade or just give you a signal, it'll do that. It'll do both. It'll do one or the other. It could do everything. But the point is, you set your stop loss into the robot, your TP into the robot. Make sure you don't want to risk more than a certain amount or percent, and you're good to go. You're good to go. You're Gucci. That's it. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. Never blow another account with a robot. Put 20 pips in stop loss. 1 hour chart, I would say probably 25, 30 pips. And chill out. If you got your direction correct, the trend is going, your trade is right, you Gucci. Just ride it to TP. There is no TP on this trade, as you can see, by the way, as well. Because I'm going to close the trade when I feel satisfied. Now, where the price is looking to go, if you could look all the way to the middle of the chart, where it first did the first sell through the cloud, you'll see that that is where the price is obviously trying to go, right? Your naked eye can show you that. Naked chart shit. But anyway, I'm out of here. So hopefully that helps. And yeah, man, let's get to it, man. Get these robots out of here. Let's get these robots out of here. Let's roll them out. You know, you are trading against robots anyway on the market, in case you didn't know that. But I'm out of here. Peace.